percentage differential protection of transformer. This protection is used to protect the large power transformer having rating 5 MVA and above. For the rating below 5 MVA, this protection is not economical. So this protection, that is differential protection, gives the protection against internal short circuit fault. It cannot give the protection against incipient fault. For incipient fault in a transformer, we are going to use a Buchholz relay. This is a diagram of percentage differential protection of transformer. This is a primary side winding, this is a secondary side winding. Primary side which is connected in delta manner, while secondary side which is connected in star manner. These are the three CTs, these are also three CTs. The delta side winding CTs are connected in star manner, while star side CTs are connected in delta manner. This is the operating coil and this is the restraining coil. Now let's see how the protection differential of the transformer operates. There are two conditions. One is normal condition or external fault condition and another is abnormal condition. Under normal operating condition, the current flowing through operating coil of relay due to CTs of primary side is in phase opposition to the current flowing due to CTs on secondary side. That is, in that case, our current flowing through primary winding of the transformer is equal to current flowing through secondary winding of transformer. That is, difference between these two current will be zero, and due to the zero current, operating coil and restraining coil becomes de-energized. That is, this condition will get balanced. Second condition, that is abnormal condition. Suppose if the fault occurs on a protected winding, that is, if fault occurs on this winding, then condition will become unbalanced. That is, extra current will flow through primary winding of transformer as well as secondary winding of the transformer. Due to heavy current flow, the condition will get unbalanced. That is, I1 minus I2 will no longer same, and due to the difference of current, that is difference of current I1 minus I2 is not equal to 0, and this difference of current will flow through relay operating coil and restraining coil. That causes energizing the coil and give the trip signal to the circuit breaker. This is the differential protection of transformer. Once again I will explain in Marathi. It consists of two windings, primary side winding and secondary side winding आहेत. प्रायमरी साइड वाइंडिंगच्या ज्या सिटी आहेत त्या स्टार मध्ये कनेक्ट केलेल्या आहेत. सेकंडरी साइडच्या वाइंडिंगच्या ज्या सिटीज आहेत त्या डेल्टा कनेक्शन केलेल्या आहेत. ओ अँड आर ह्या ऑपरेटिंग कॉइल आणि रिस्ट्रेनिंग कॉइल आहेत. दोन कंडिशन असतात, एक नॉर्मल कंडिशन आणि एक अबनॉर्मल कंडिशन. नॉर्मल कंडिशनमध्ये काय होणार आहे, ह्या दोन सिटी आहेत त्यामधून फ्लो होणारा करंट हा नॉर्मल असेल. दॅट इज सिस्टीम ही बॅलन्स असणार आहे. बॅलन्स सिस्टीम असल्यामुळं जो डिफरन्स करंट आहे, डिफरन्शियल प्रोटेक्शन नेहमी I1 मायनस I2 बघतो. जर डिफरन्स करंट हा 0 असेल तर ओ अँड आर दॅट इज ऑपरेटिंग कॉइल आणि रिस्ट्रेनिंग कॉइल एनर्जाइज होणार नाहीत. बट इन केस ऑफ abnormal condition, that is this is our protected transformer winding, eventually if there is a fault occurs on that winding and due to this fault system will get unbalanced. म्हणजे काय होणार आहे, प्रायमरी अँड सेकंडरी ऑफ ट्रान्सफॉर्मर वाइंडिंग मधून जो फ्लो होणारा करंट आहे तो सेम नसणार आहे. दॅट इज सिस्टीम इथे अनबॅलन्स होणार आहे. सिस्टीम अनबॅलन्स झाल्यामुळे जो काही करंट असेल प्रायमरी आणि सेकंडरी मधला त्यातला जो काही डिफरन्स असेल तो डिफरन्स ऑफ करंट विल फ्लो थ्रू द ओ अँड आर, आणि ह्यामुळे काय होणार आहे तर तुमचं रिले कॉइल एनर्जाइज होणार आहे आणि सर्किट ब्रेकरला सिग्नल देणार आहे. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द पर्सेंटेज डिफरन्शियल प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ ट्रान्सफॉर्मर.